Vice President of the Philippines, Maria Leonor Robredo, former President Ramos, Fidel Ramos, trustees of the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation, and of course, members of the Magsaysay family. We met just this morning. Distinguished guests, fellow awardees, and ladies and gentlemen. I received this award with infinite gratitude to the creator of the universe and also to the ancestor who protect, accompany, and guard me always until today. And of course, I would like to thank from my bottom of my heart to all friends in Aman, to the movement, all supporters of the movement for the last 24 years. This award is not only for me, this is for us. This is for Ruka represents Aman, Pak Hein, Namotemo here. This is for us, not only for me. I also dedicated this award to my parents, my mother at home now, and of course to my wife, Devi, my three daughters, Melonia, Mena, Mayang. They are at home, but they are here now. Yes. Me and my family were been through a lot. There were even the times when I was so scared. Yeah, but every time we overcame, and we grow with that. I became an activist, a very young activist, educated activist in the late 80s. Yeah, because I'm educated, I feel that I am a hero. Really can help people. But only 10 years later, I realized I'm not only an activist, I'm also a victim because my father, my mother, my whole community, my family is also the victim of the policy. So, at that time, an activist, a victim, and also an indigenous person, in my homeland, we found industrial timber company. Yeah. What does a company mean at that time? The company is just a front for the real oppressor. At that time, authoritarianism and developmentalism, if you understand that two words. And for them, at that time, we are the indigenous peoples were not wanted. We are to be oppressed, yeah, to be eradicated, to be criminalized until now, to be impoverished, and to be victimized. That's us. Devi, of course, know about this 18 years, for the last 18 years, and Ruka, when she was very young, yeah, his father and mother asked me to become an activist, and now she become the new Secretary General of AMAT, this big organization, the young woman. So, but what does it mean actually for me as a personal? Of course, this is all about assignment from the beginning. This is about how to serve people. So this morning I was really thanks to the family of the Ramon Magsaysay about that he was the leader of the servant leader. So now I understand my positions also in this room. Yeah. Hopefully, I can follow Ramon Magsaysay in that sense. To serve people is assignment for me. Because the assignment always comes with trust, hope, and love. That's all. Yeah. Because I consider the scare, I don't want this job. But people ask me to do that. Because maybe they trust me, they have hope with me, and they think that they love me too. So an excitement. Even at the last moment, I just stepped down from the Secretary General of Aman. They even want me to run for the governor in my homeland. And you know, my home province is very corrupt and violent. And they asked me to run for the governor. But who will respond to that? 3 months and finally I said yes. So that will be the next assignment. So, ladies and gentlemen, tonight also a night that to ask all of us, ourselves, where do we come from? Where? And what values, what spirit can be offered to our society and our earth? That's questioning for us, for the critical situations right now. When differing opinions or interests manifest into violent conflict. Now, violent conflict. When the misuse of religion causes more killings. Religions causes more killing. When developing the economy means destroying the environment, and that is not acceptable. So I'm standing here, ladies and gentlemen, to offer the values and the spirit of indigenous peoples to tackle the present-day problems of our society and the environment. Inequality, crimes, climate change, in a way that is not violent, human, and sustainable. And then, let our countries, the Philippines and Indonesia, lead the world toward peace. So who else? If not us, then who? Indonesia and Philippines, where the well-being of peoples, plants, animals, water, soil, and air prevail. So, thank you very much. Mauliate, terima kasih. Horas, menjuah-juah. Ahoy, again, thank you for this award.